Hello and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic Java programming. So let's get started. You are debugging a memory leak in a Java application and notice that a large number of string objects are residing in the old gen space despite being short-lived. What is the most likely culprit involving the intern method? Answer is A. The intern method was called on unique, dynamically generated strings, filling the string pool and preventing GC from reclaiming them easily. Consider a scenario where you have a stream and you use the PECS method to log elements. If the stream has no terminal operation, what will be printed to the console? Answer is B. Nothing will be printed because streams are lazy and PECS is an intermediate operation. In a multi-threaded environment, you have a volatile Boolean flag used to stop a thread. Why might volatile be insufficient if the stopping logic depends on the current value, e.g., stop equals stop? Answer is C. Volatile only guarantees visibility, not atomicity for compound read-modify-write operations. You are designing a library and want to ensure that a specific class can be extended by classes in the same package, but only by a specific set of classes outside the package. Which Java 17 feature is best suited for this? Answer is D. Sealed classes with the permits clause. What happens internally in a hash map when a bucket reaches the TRL_ threshold, default 8, and the total table capacity is less than min_to_ capacity, default 64. Answer is A. The table is resized, double, instead of converting the bucket to a red-black tree. You have a method signature, public, T void process, list, super T list, T element. If you call this with a list number and an integer, what is the result? Answer is B. The code compiles and runs because integer is a subtype of number, satisfying the lower bound wildcard. If a finally block contains a return statement and the try block also contains a return statement, what value is returned by the method? Answer is C. The value from the finally block is returned, effectively overriding the try block's return. Which of the following best describes the false sharing problem that the @contended annotation in Java 8+ aims to solve? Answer is D. Two threads modifying different variables on the same cache line, causing constant cache invalidation and performance hits. When using java.util.concurrent.completable feature, what is the primary difference between then apply and then compose? Answer is A. Then apply is for synchronous transformations, while then compose is used to chain another completable future, flattening. In the context of Java reflection, if you want to access a private field of a class and change its value, which sequence of calls is mandatory? Answer is B. Get declared field, followed by field.setAccessible, true. Why is it generally recommended to use list.of instead of arrays.asList for creating small, fixed-size lists in modern Java? Answer is C. List.of is slower but uses less memory because it doesn't create an underlying array. What is the consequence of type erasure on a method like public void print list string list and public void print list integer list in the same class? Answer is D. A compile time error occurs because both methods have the same signature after types are erased to list, object, or list. How does the G1 garbage first Garbage collector decide which region to reclaim first? Answer is A. It prioritizes the young generation regions to minimize pause times. A record in Java 16+ is implicitly final, and its fields are private and final. Which of the following is not allowed in a record definition? Answer is B. Declaring instance fields other than those in the record header. What is the purpose of the phantom reference in Java's java.lang.ref package? Answer is C. To perform pre-mortem cleanup actions after the garbage collector determines an object is unreachable, but before its memory is reclaimed. In Java's Neo.2, what is the primary advantage of using direct byte buffer over non-direct byte buffer? Answer is D. Direct buffers allow the OS to perform I/O operations directly on the memory without copying data from an intermediate buffer. What happens if you try to start a thread twice by calling the start method again after it has already finished its execution? Answer is A. An illegal thread state exception is thrown. Which functional interface would you use if you need to take two arguments of the same type and return a result of that same type? Answer is B. Binary operator. When using the synchronized keyword on a static method, which object acts as the monitor lock? Answer is C. The class object associated with the class. Consider the code. String S1 equals Java. String S2 equals new string Java. How many objects are created in the heap and string pool respectively, assuming the pool is empty? Answer is A. 1 in heap, 1 in string pool. What is the primary difference between cyclic barrier and countdown latch? Answer is A. Cyclic barrier can be reused after the waiting threads are released, while countdown latch cannot. In Java 9+, if a module requires module B and module B requires module C, does module automatically have access to module C? Answer is B. No, unless module B uses requires transitive C in its module info. What is the result of system.out.println 1.0/0.0 in Java? Answer is C. INF. Which of these is a valid reason to use a static inner class instead of a non-static inner class? Answer is B. To prevent a memory leak where the inner class holds an implicit reference to the outer class instance. What does the native keyword signify when applied to a method in Java? Answer is B. The method is implemented in platform-dependent code, typically using C or C++. In the context of Java generics, what is a bridge method? Answer is B. A synthetic method generated by the compiler to maintain polymorphism when a class implements a generic interface. Which of the following is true about this serial version UID in Java serialization? Answer is B. It is a unique identifier used to ensure that the sender and receiver of a serialized object have loaded classes that are compatible. What is the time complexity of the contains operation in a hash set in the best case scenario? Answer is D. 01. What is the primary use case for VarHandle introduced in Java 9? Answer is A, to provide a safer and more performant alternative to java.lang.reflect, field, and sun.miscellaneous unsafe for atomic operations. In a try with resources statement, if both the try block and the close method of a resource throw an exception, which one is propagated to the caller? Answer is B, the exception from the try block, while the close exception is added as a suppressed exception. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.